Hello and welcome to FunnelKit. With FunnelKit, you can finally sell all the different types of products you have in your store as one-click upsells. Inside of your upsell offer, click Add Product. Search for the product you wish to upsell and then click Add. To help persuade your customer, set your discount amount and the discount type. Your customers will have already paid shipping costs on your checkout page, but here you have the ability to set flat shipping costs associated with this product. Then once you've set your quantity, click Save. Here are some additional things to know. You can sell variable products as upsell offers too. Click Add Product, search for your variable product, and click Add, and follow the same steps as our simple product example earlier. Click View All Variants if you want finer control over how your customer purchases your variable product as an offer, including limiting the variants your customer can purchase, as well as setting pricing per variant. Sometimes it doesn't make sense to upsell your customers a product or offer if they have purchased it in the past. Using the product selection settings at the bottom, you can choose to skip this upsell offer if the customer just bought that in their current order, or if they've ever purchased it in any order in your store in the past. From here, you can also enable the option for your customers to be able to specify the quantity they purchase of your upsell product. And isn't this impressive? Add multiple products to the same upsell offer, assign each product to an accept button in your design, and now your customers can choose which product they purchase on your offer page. You can even create volume-based discounts as one-click upsells. Here I've added the same product 3 times, and as they purchase a higher quantity, they get a higher discount. This pricing structure incentivizes your customers to spend more in your store. Here's that upsell page in action, and I'll click to add the 5-pack into my order, and here's that output on my thank you page. FunnelKit's one-click upsells help you turn your store into an upselling machine, and that's just one of the many powerful features included with FunnelKit. Other features include the ability for you to design high-converting checkout pages, easily add one-click upsells to boost your average order value, and so much more. To start making more profit with your WooCommerce store, head to our pricing page to see our current deals.